What's going on, guys? So today we are finally going to be putting new brake rotors on my dad's 9.5 Aero. If you guys missed the reveal video of this car, this is my dad's new ride, a 2004 Saab 9.5 Aero. When he bought it, we knew that it was going to need new brake rotors and pads. So we have the pads right here. These are actually not genuine Saab pads. They're a different branded pad. I don't remember the name off the top of my head. And then we have the rotors right here. Now I want to give a huge shout out to Matt at Saab Parts. If you guys own a Saab, you should definitely be using Saab Parts. I have heard nothing but positive feedback on both Matt and Saab Parts as a whole, so definitely use him when you've got anything that you need for your beautiful Saab. But today we're just going to be installing the rotors. I'll go ahead and open them up here so we can get a look at them. Oh! Sometimes I wonder, I look at a car and I wonder, how does that thing weigh like 3,500 pounds? And then I pick up something like a brake rotor and it occurs to me why these things weigh so much. I mean, I'm struggling to hold this up with one hand. So we're only doing the front rotors. So as you can see, the car's already jacked up. The front wheels are off. So we're just going to go ahead and get into this process and film and show you guys how to do it. There you have it. There are the new brakes for the 9.5 Aero. So we did the rotors and the pads, and I tried to do my best to show everything. It's actually not a very difficult process. It's just making sure that you don't forget anything, because, you know, then you might be screwed. But I want to give a huge shout out again to Matt at Saab Parts. If you guys have a Saab and when something breaks or you need anything for your car, definitely go to him. He's got an extremely comprehensive store. He's got just about anything that you would need for your Saab, so go check him out. A link to his website is in the description. With that being said, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. The new car I'll give a quick update. I'm filming this outro right now on Monday. As of right now, I just confirmed the car to be picked up in Massachusetts, so it should be picked up in 1 to 5 days, they said. And of course their website said within 3 days, so I'm kind of getting screwed on time already. So I have a bad feeling that I'm not going to get the car as soon as I should, but fingers crossed it'll be picked up soon and it'll be out in Phoenix hopefully within a week. So with that being said, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time.